I hope this is showing. Now I have the sun at my back, and I have all these little guys. Moon Kitty would have a heart attack if he's seen all these. I didn't bring a tripod, so sorry. I'm on Otter Island. Look it up. St. Helena Sound, East Basin. It's a barrier island, only accessible by boat. That's how I got here. There's a lot on this place, a lot to explore. These little guys, I hope they don't blur out for some reason. Oh, let's back out then. I don't know why it wants to do that. But anyway, it does. Waste. Okay. So we're out, there's Eddystone Island way over yonder. There's the Atlantic Ocean out here. And I'll pull it on back. I'm on this barrier island. And I mean barrier. Back during the Civil War, they dropped off Union soldiers and whoever didn't cooperate out here, and they would never get off of this place. They perished out here. Because you're not getting off of here. You're just not. It's hostile in every kind of way. You might survive a month or two. But if you wasn't used to it, you wouldn't make it out of here. You'd have to know how to get fresh water, how to feed yourself. Depending on the seasons, you'd burn up or you'd freeze to death.